Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet to PayPal. First, open your web browser and go to the BoomChange website. Now select the cryptocurrency and payout method you want to use. For example, choose USDT, TRC20 in the first section and PayPal in the second section. Then enter the amount you want to exchange. After that, click on the exchange button. Now enter your PayPal email address in the recipient field. Then enter your contact email address in the required section. Here, carefully review all the information you entered. Once everything looks correct, click continue. On the next page, check the details again. Then accept the terms and privacy policy by checking the box. Now click confirm. After that, add USDT, TRC20 wallet address and QR code will be displayed. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Then open your Trust Wallet app. Now tap on Tether USDT. Here select Send. In the recipient address field, paste the USDT TRC20 address provided by the exchange service. Then enter the amount you want to exchange. After that, tap Next. Now review all the transaction details carefully. Make sure you have enough TRX in your wallet to cover the network fee required for the transaction. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and send the funds. Once the transfer has been completed, return to the exchange website. Then click I have paid. If prompted, confirm by clicking OK. After that, wait for the blockchain transaction to be confirmed. Once the exchange is processed, the funds will be sent to your PayPal account according to the exchange provider's processing time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.